children, do you know what is this?
Abacus.
Yes, it is abacus. So it is ones place, it is tens place, it is 100 place, it is 1000 place, it is 10,000 place. 10,000 place. Okay, tell me how many?
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5.
So these are beads, you know. These are beads. How many beads?
5, 6, 7, 8.
So 8 beads are there. So it is 8. It is 8. Now it is 8. In tens place, I put one bead. So how much? 10. 10 plus 8. How much? 18. 18. Now again I will put 110. 20 plus 8? 28. Yes, it is 28. Now it is 28. Now it is 28. So let us do addition with abacus. Do addition with abacus. 28 plus 50. 28 plus 50. Once 10. Yes, yes. Listen. 8 ones, 2 tens. So already we put. Okay. Next. How to do addition? We do addition. Add ones to ones, then tens to tens. Okay. Now we add ones. How many ones? 5 ones. How many ones we add? 5. Okay. Take 5. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, once. So now once is 15. Once is 13. Once is 13. Next tens. How many tens? 1 only. Tens. We add 110. Add 110. Okay. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 ones are there here. 13 ones are there here. Now we have to do regrouping. We have to do regrouping 13 into 10 plus 3. Into 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13, you know. 10 plus 3, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. 10. So 10 regrouping. 10 place. If you add 110 into tens place. 110 into tens place. We add 110 in tens place. 1 bead in tens place. Okay, now say me the answer. Tell me the answer. Yes, 4 tens. 40, 3 ones, 3. 43. So this way we can do addition with the help of abacus. Can anyone say the another problem? Can anyone say the another problem? Who can say? Who can do? What is the Rishit? Okay, you come. No, remove. First 37. You take. You show the 37 on the abacus. Say loudly. Loudly. Gatiga.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So 7. Observe all of you. Observe carefully.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So 3 tens 30, 7 ones 7. 30 plus 7 37. So now 37. So next what to do? Add 25. 25. Add 25. Take this. 25. 5 ones 2 ones. Add 5. 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Next, how many add? 10. 2 tens. Add 2 beads in tens place. Okay. Now what to do? Next what to do? Hey Praveen, next what to do? Regroup. Regroup once. Count. How many total count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 2 12. 10 plus 2 12. So we should do regroup 12 into 10 plus 2. So 10 kada. So 10 place lo em cheyali manamu? What to do next? So 10 place lo 110 ni 10 బదులు 110. So 110 ఏం చేయాలి మనం ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఏ ప్లేస్ లో వేయాలి? 10th place లో we should put. So now say the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 62. Once? 1, 2. Not 2. Is it right, children? Yes, very good. Well done. Very good. Clap for Nishit Kumar, all of you. Well done. Okay, good. Have you understood all? Have you all understood how to do addition with the help of abacus? Understood? Okay. Clap for yourself, all of you. Very good.